are.
Girl, fucking chill. I'm a G-R-I-N-D.
I have Puerto Rico.
Right? You want to?
I have Puerto Rico.
You want to or no?
Really?
Alright, we'll do it. Yeah. Yeah. Just follow the road sign and holler if you hear me. I hate when you near me. I hate when you away.
Dude, I want to call this chick up.
Dude, fucking call me.
Alright, fucking.
Fuck.
But it's.
Don't be a bitch.
But it's her.
Oh,
Oh, I don't want to.
you're a bitch.
No.
You're a bitch.
No, because it's complicated. It's complicated.
You're a bitch.
Where's my drink?
I don't know, bro. Where? You threw it away, remember?
Where's my drink?
I'll tell you where it is, bro. I can't tell you. It's a secret. In December 25. Phone with me. I want to hear something that's like slowed down, bro.
Alright, fuck it.
Huh?
Fuck
What? Are you gonna do it?
it.
Oh,
Dude, I'll call you later.
alright. Alright, just listen to it. Concentrate on the music. Just concentrate. Now slow it down in your mind.
Oh, you feeling it, right?
Fuck, bro, I'm glad I got these shades on. I'm fucking glad. Cause my eyes are heavy.
Must be the weather. I dress her, I do her sleeves, I am her feathers. She's fly, flyer than you, flyer than me. I love her, she loves me too. I love her 3 times more than her mom. Time will tell that I'm the nigga that she should. We should be wherever she wanna be on a late night, midday, AM. Just say when, and I know I be with cavemen, but never blind them. She's poison and I am Michael Griffin. See, I know that y'all don't get me, but she does, he does. When grown folk do when they had too much to play.
Wait, I don't do my food.
I feel like I do. Alright, we're gonna stop. Peace, love, and happiness.